So I'm Dad, it's Friday, and we got to do some work to keep water out of the garage. Now that's a little bit different. My garage is really called a carport technically, according to our taxing and whatever. So, because it doesn't actually have doors on it. We live in a really old house, and putting doors on a garage that's next to falling down doesn't make any sense. But we get some water in here, and part of the issue is that it slopes a little bit, and if water comes running in at a high amount, it goes in there, and the water's not good for our stuff, like our bikes and other things. So I'm trying to keep that from happening. So I'm putting down this threshold that I will show you and see if that will help. So this is the threshold. I like the way it feels. It's very heavy, solid, and I think it's got a feel to it like it will last a long time. I like the little yellow stripe on it too, just to give you a little bit of a visual. And so for me, this is a little bit different. This is made to go under a garage door. So if you're getting water in your garage and you need to seal that up a little bit better, there are things you can attach to the bottom of your garage door, that lifting garage door. But they're also like this. You can put this down on the concrete going into your garage and create a raised threshold. So here I'm putting it down. It's a pretty dirty application. Certainly outdoor garage, you'll have cleaner or dirtier situations, I'm sure. The goal here is not a full weatherproofing, but to discourage water from coming into the garage. So here we are. It's been a couple of days. It's been a couple of dry days. And so I put the water hose out here and tested it out. I'll let you decide. Does it work like it's supposed to? I give a 2-month follow-up on the threshold. It's doing great. Water has not run into my garage at all for the past 2 months. We've had some big rains, and it's doing exactly what I had hoped it would do. So it's staying in place, it's keeping the water out. That's all. Simple enough, right? Thanks for watching.